What's up, viewers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today in front of us is the all-new 4th Gen Swift. But before we get started, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Let's jump right into it, right under the hood. Okay, this is the all-new Z series engine, guys, which runs 81 horsepower, 112 Newton meters of torque. Alright, this is how the engine layout is. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The claim efficiency of this car is now 25.75 kilometers per liter, which is next level. Maruti is known for its fuel efficiency and reliability, so if you are a fan of efficiency, I think you should definitely come out and take a test drive of the all-new Swift. Okay, over here you get insulation, as you can see, and this is the 1.2 liter engine, guys. There's no change in engine capacity. All right, let's close the bonnet, understand the thud. Bonnet is really easy to hold. All right, really easy to open and close. That's the third of the bonnet. This is a really nice blue color, which I find it very appealing. It's called the Luster Blue. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this color, or do you have another preference? Let me know that as well. Let's jump right into the front fascia of the car. Okay, you can see this all new design over here. You get the L-shaped LED lamps, you get projector LED lamps in this, but you don't get fog lamps. Okay, this is the ZXi variant, not the ZXi Plus variant, guys. This car costs 8,29,500 ex showroom. Okay, and over here when we come to the grille, you can see the grille design is also completely different. It's finished in glossy black. Over here you have a signature wraparound design. Bonnet design is completely different as well. This new design outlook really gives a fresh look to this all-new Swift, guys. What do you think of the front fascia? Do let me know. You don't get any front parking sensors or front parking camera at all whatsoever. This is just skid plate treatment finished in matte black, guys. Aapko front fascia kaisa lag raha hai? It's very plain and simple. Okay, if you look at it from a distance, it might not look very different from the 3rd Gen Swift. Okay, but you know, when you come closer and you explore, if you have a keen eye, you will see there are differences in this particular car. So this is the Suzuki logo finished in chrome over here. As you can see, not a lot of chrome in the front fascia except for the logo, which is good. I'm not a big fan of chrome personally. Aapko kya lagta hai? You wanted more chrome, less chrome? Do let me know your thoughts as well. Coming to the side of the car, guys, there is no body cladding. Okay, you have 15-inch alloy wheels in this. Tire profile 185/65 R15. The brand of the tire is Bridgestone, guys. Okay, coming over here to the ORVMs, finished in body color, turn indicator. Of course, no blind spot monitoring camera in this, but you do get a request sensor on the co-driver and the driver's side as well. This is what it is from the side profile of the all-new Swift. It is slightly longer than the previous Gen Swift. Okay, coming to the pillars, you can see this finish in matte black over here, A and B, matte black over here, and glossy black over here near the C pillar as well. You get a fuel lid treatment over here. Okay, coming to the rear, the tail lamps over here are finished in LED. All right, and your rest is finished in halogen. You get parking sensors 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do we have a rear parking camera? I don't see a rear parking camera in this, guys. You get only 4 rear parking sensors in this car. You get at the rear, you get this Suzuki logo finished in chrome. Swift written here, finished in chrome. You get your rear wiper treatment, rear defogger, high mounted stop lamp, and a slight spoiler treatment with your wiper washer fluid cut treatment over here. Opening the boot, what do you get? The boot space is around 265 to 268 liters, guys. You do get a parcel tray over here, which is detachable. And below you get your spare wheel treatment, which is a 14-inch steel rim, guys. And 80 kilometers per hour ka max speed is only allowed in this. Okay, you get your warning triangle over here. You don't get any boot lamp. You get your storage treatment over here, where you can store your jack and everything, where the symbol is also given. Okay, you get your hook treatment over here. The boot lamp treatment is over here. All right, and that's pretty much it. This is a 60-40 split if you want to increase the luggage carrying capacity of this car. Now closing the boot, and that's how it closes. Very easy to open, very easy to close. Coming to the driver's side, guys, pretty much it is the same story. The design, of course, is the same. You do get a request sensor treatment over here with the manual keyhole slot as well, and there's nothing different compared to the co-driver's side. It's all the same. One more thing, you get a standard antenna in this. You don't get a shark fin antenna in this variant, and you get standard wipers. You don't get aero twin wipers in this car. That's pretty much it from the exterior. We're going to go inside and explore what is there in the interiors of this particular car. Opening the door, you can see the driver functions over here: auto, up and down for the driver. Rest are standard. You get your window locking option over here, door locking and unlocking option over here, and your ORVM treatment over here. Door handle storage over here, door storage over there, which is decently sized. Speaker treatment over here, no soft touch, all hard plastic except for this area, which is finished in fabric. Your door opening and closing mechanism over here. Your door handle opening knob is finished in chrome. This is a silver treatment you get over here. Your tweeter treatment is over here. You get manually adjustable seats, of course, and you can see Swift written on the mat over there, finished in red. Sporty treatment diya hai thoda. All right, and these are fabric seats, these are not leather seats, so don't get confused, but the seats look very comfortable. I'm going to sit on it and tell you also how comfortable it is as well. Let's sit inside and experience the all new 4th gen Swift over here, guys. Closing the door, that's how the thud is. Doing a soft start of the vehicle, and that's what the instrument cluster looks like, guys. You can see the MID in between. That's your tachometer, that's your speedometer. You can see the warning lights over here. Very basic, very retro, okay. And you can toggle using this, the MID. The button is over here.
Level is low. Please fill the tank immediately.
All right, so we're going to be toggling using this button. What do we get? We get fuel, average fuel consumption. We get your average fuel economy, range, and that's about it. You get your fuel indicator gauge over here. You do get the warnings for the rear passengers, whether they are wearing the seat belts or not. As you can see, it is showing there very clearly that they are not wearing the seat belts. Anyway, no one is sitting piche. You can see the time and temperature as well, okay. And that's pretty much it, pretty basic. You can toggle using this also. We've got the odometer, sorry, trip A, trip B. This is the odometer, and yes, that's about it. 2 buttons to toggle different options you are getting. Coming to the steering wheel, it's not leather wrapped. Should have been leather wrapped in my opinion. Yeah, kuch fabric wrap hi de dete, kuch steering cover hi de dete. I think accessories mein you will get, but anyway, should have been leather wrapped from stock. You get flat bottom. For the steering mount controls, over here you get a call, accept, decline, and voice function over here. And over here you get your music system functions to change the track and to, you know, mute it altogether. All right, and to increase the volume and decrease the volume. इसमें cruise control नहीं आता है, guys. Okay. Over here you get your auto start stop feature with your traction control, with your headlight adjuster, and your push button start over here. Looks really nice. Okay. यहाँ chrome का थोड़ा finishing भी है border में. Over here you get your bonnet opening knob and your fuel lid opening knob over here. Coming over here, this is your AC treatment. Good buttons hai, touchscreen nahi hai. That is very nice. This is how it is. You get your internal air circulation, AC on, AC off, auto climate control over here. You get front and rear defogger and your AC blower settings, single zone climate control in this. This is how the AC vent design is. This is your 7-inch touchscreen unit. This is your silver finish over here. Little darkish silver. I wouldn't call it completely gray. You get soft touch, no, all plastic. Soft touch मैं कैसे expect कर सकता हूँ? And this is your glove box storage treatment over here. Okay, you get 6 airbags as standard in this car, guys, so that is neat in terms of safety, guys. Okay, now seat की comfort की बात करें, seats are very comfortable. These side supports really hug you very well. Okay, even though it's not leather wrapped, but ठीक है यार, it's fine. This color also really complements the interior of the car. As you can see, it's completely black. There is no beige treatment. Beige treatment थोड़ा यहीं पे है बस, और कहीं नहीं है. पूरा black interior है यहाँ पे. Darkish interior you can call it. Okay, and what else do we have over here? We get your vanity mirror without any light. Over here we get your ticket holder. You get manually dimming IRVM. Okay, ये तो मैंने दिखाई दिया, मैं फिर क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ. Over here you get wireless charging, which is neat. This is your wireless charge indicator. Over here you get your USB charging socket, which is USB A. Over here you get your 12-volt charging socket, okay, which is neat. इसमें charging sockets बहुत है. You get twin cup holders over here. This is your gear lever treatment. This is your handbrake treatment. Some storage over here. You get 2 charging sockets over here also, which is one is USB A and the other is USB C. मैं थोड़ा zoom in करके दिखाता हूँ आपको. ये देख लो आप. यहाँ थोड़ा storage है. यहाँ rear AC vents भी है, which is neat. Okay, and pedals की बात करें तो you get normal pedals, no metal pedals. You get a dedicated dead pedal for the left leg, which is nice. Treatment की बात करें guys, so you get yellow lights over here. Grab handles are retractable, foldable, and yeah, that's pretty much it guys from the front. Okay, from the driver's side and the co-driver's side. ये मेरा driving position नहीं है, ठीक है, ये मेरा driving position, थोड़ा पीछे जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को. Okay, now I'm comfortable, and now I think my driving position will compromise the rear space slightly because of my height. Okay, so we will go and check out what is the feel like over there, and let's get to the rear straight away and explore what do we have over there guys. Is entering the rear. Okay, easy to enter, no problems over here. Closing the door, you get your window opening button and closing button over here. Same story with the doorknob and the door locking mechanism. Speaker treatment over here. You get your bottle holder over here. That's it. You can only store your bottle over here in this door storage. No seat pockets over here. Knee room is a little bit compromised as I said earlier because of my driving position, of course. And over here your under thigh support is pretty great. Foot room is slightly compromised guys. And hump is there, which is a little higher on the higher side. So there is no middle armrest. Of course, there are only two adjustable headrests for the rear. There's no middle passenger headrest. You get two ISOFIX points, one on this side, one on which I'm sitting. You get 3-point seat belt as well. And coming to the middle row, this is what it is guys. Middle row में आप ऐसे हो, and यहाँ पे आपको इतनी सी space है. Alright, that's what it is in terms of middle area seating. Okay, let me show you all the headroom once. So guys, the story of the headroom, it is decent. I like it. Okay, if I'm sitting a little bit upright also, even then my head is not touching. So of course no one sits upright, everyone sits relaxed, so headroom is perfect. Okay, and that's about it. Of course, this is what I'm occupying in terms of shoulder room, as you can see. Okay, इतना space है, ये मेरा shoulder room है. Alright, and बस वही है, और बाकी की चीजें whatever I have left to show you, I'll show you all that. Grab handle treatment is over here and over there, and yes, AC vents which I've already shown you when I was sitting in the front only, and that's about it. हाँ, seat pocket है यहाँ पे. Okay, over here you get one seat pocket where you can store your knickknacks. Same story over here in terms of door storage. You can store only your 1 liter bottle, and you get door handle storage over here. No height adjustable seat belts. One more thing I wanted to mention, rear camera जो है वो ZXi Plus में मिलता है, इस वेरिएंट में आपको नहीं मिलता है. उसमें डायमंड कट alloys भी मिलते हैं आपको in ZXi Plus variant. Okay, so slight differences are there, plus you get a fog lamp also in that car. So slight differences in features are there with this variant and the top of the line variant. Okay, anyway guys, this was my video of the Swift. Let me get outside the car and conclude the video and share my thoughts. This was my video of the all new 4th gen Swift guys. First of all, the car is pretty much the same. Okay, slight cosmetic changes are there, and when it comes to the competition, Tiago and Nios are direct competitors of this vehicle guys. In terms of looks, I prefer this car. This looks better than the two, and of course in terms of reliability, in terms of fuel efficiency, this car trumps over the other two as well guys. So Swift has always been a very much loved brand since its inception, since its launch in India, and I see it continuing that same trend. All right, people are of course going to be booking this car in numbers, all right, because it gives great amount of fuel efficiency, and of course Maruti ki reliability is on another level. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this particular car? Anyway guys, this is the video of the all new Swift guys. If you enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this video with the people who are interested in this car, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.